क्या हाँ और क्या बोल बस मेरा बाइक एक्सपीरियंस मेरे बाइक एक्सपीरियंसेस बहुत है मेरे बाइक एक्सपीरियंसेस और एक आध दो बार गिरा भी अरे एक मैं आपको एक किस्सा सुनाता हूँ सो I thought my father would said with me one day and he went to the farm. This is बहुत टाइम पहले की बात है और मेरे पास उस वक्त एक हायाबुसा हुआ करती थी so I said चलो I have to go to the farm and apologize to him. So I wrote that. You know, I was riding. I was not wearing a helmet and my cap was ulta. My cap flew. And I said, this is not going to ride at all. And then I rode very slowly at 35-40 kilometers an hour. And I reached the farm. I took a left turn and the bike came. And we went into the jungle. I tried to pick up the bike. I couldn't pick up the bike. Then my car came behind me. We all picked up the bike. Got the bike on the road again. Started riding again. Took a right turn and the bike spinning again. A lot of gravel. Anyway, यहाँ से पूरा चल गया था, pink हो गया था. So I went and then when see my father, he said, तुम इधर क्या कर रहे हो? I said, no, I just thought that you upset me. He said, नहीं, मैं तो वहाँ भी आ रहा था. तो अच्छा, तुम आ गए फिर क्या हुआ? ऐसे कुछ नहीं वो बहुत सारा gravel था और speed हो गया. फिर उसकी कितनी बार? इस तरह दो बार. ये सब तुमको बाइक में चलाने आती नहीं है तो तुम बाइक को चलाते हो यार जैसे लाओ मेरी बाइक निकाल सो ही गॉट हिज Triumph 100 Tiger 100 and then he rode it and then I took another bike and me and my father went for a long ride in the night at the farm. So that was a really good experience that I had. वो हीट होने में कुछ काफ़ी टाइम लगा. I got no more to look at, but it was a good experience. And I remember one more experience is that when I learned how to ride a cycle. So my father got me a cycle for 25 paisa for an hour. I must have been 4 or 5. So he was holding me, he was holding the seat, and he took me there. And I thought he was still holding me. And so we still lived in the boat, not very that whole time. So there was a small patch. So I went ahead, I took a turn, I came back, and I saw him standing in front of me. I realized that, oh shit, he's not holding me. And I came right next to him and I fell. Because I thought that he was holding me, so that support was there. You know, that confidence of my father holding me was there. And I fell, and my father went and said, चलाते रहो तो बोलो और चला. एक पिलर का हाथ होना बहुत ज़रूरी होता है आपके पीछे. वही आपको कॉन्फिडेंस देता है. Like what my father did for me.
Right. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen.